Have you ever been frustrated for waiting for your wishes come true that never happened? This video shows you tricks for your mind to actually make your wishes come true. Years of studying and practicing different consciousness awakening systems led to the discovery of many different creative visualization and manifestation techniques. Keep thinking about your wish. Visualize it as it is actually happening already to you. Feel the sensation when your wish has came true. Feel that feeling when you already has your dreams came true. Feel as if this happened. You can also write down your wishes to make the visualization much more strong and powerful. Write down your wish that you want to come true in a form of an affirmation. You can just pick the field you want your wishes to come true and use the affirmation that resonates with you the most, or write one yourself. Your bodies on the higher levels of consciousness do need to hear about your needs. This way they will be able to synchronize their energies with the work of your brain and heart, which will enlighten the direction you need to go in order to fulfill your wishes. Do you have this dream that you wish to come true? Have some faith, and try these techniques to visualize and feel your dreams as this happened today.